Greetings. My name is Casey Santos, and I'm a professor and the chair of the Department of Computer Science at the University of South Dakota. I also have the honor of being the founder of the Applied AI Research Lab, which I've been leading since 2015. First, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to IIIT Bhopal for inviting me to speak at this conference on recent trends in image processing and pattern recognition. It's a pleasure to be one of the keynote speakers scheduled for December 19th and 20th, 2024. Over the past 2 decades, my research has primarily focused on computing, with a strong emphasis on the role of big data and supercomputing in driving innovation. I would like to share some of the insights and experiences with all of you. The thrust of my talk is green computing, and I believe this is exactly what we need. Now, you might be wondering, isn't it supposed to be talking about human AI and sustainable AI solutions? Well, that's close. Let's dive a little deeper. Specifically, I want to ask, why don't we use all the neurons humans have? Why just some of them? Or only a few? It's fascinating how we as humans intuitively know how to activate the right set of neurons among billions to perform tasks ranging from simple to complex. The question is, why is that? And more importantly, can we build a similar neural network that mimics this process? If the answer is yes, then we are stepping into a world where we can truly talk about mimicking human cognition. And that's what the direction of AI is heading to. In my talk, I will explore how can we replicate this process, not just in terms of structure, but also in terms of function. Additionally, I'll be discussing zero anomaly training for anomaly detection. It sounds unconventional. How can machine learning models detect anomalies without being trained on them? In real-world scenarios, such as future epidemics, we should not be waiting for positive samples or anomalies. Instead, we should be making decisions based on negative samples or healthy cases or samples. In healthcare, for instance, this approach enables faster detection and response. Right? So why not let machines learn every day, like the way humans, with the help of experts? This approach means allowing machines to learn anomalies over time as they start to process data from the day one. In the field of machine learning, we call this active learning or human in the loop machine learning. With this approach, we don't have to wait for thousands and thousands of samples to train the model. Instead, we train them every day as new data becomes available. Isn't it amazing? As we move forward in AI development, I strongly encourage you to focus on sustainable AI solutions and to move away from those practices that contribute to carbon footprints. It is crucial that we build solutions that not only be effective, but also be responsible for our planet. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to join at the recent trends in image processing and pattern recognition conference at IIIT Bhopal this week, December 19th and 20th, 2024. Let's innovate together in a way that makes our innovation both impactful and sustainable. Thank you. See you there.